In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify PayPal account. We'll walk through a simple path inside PayPal that shows you the official verification guidance, so you always have the most accurate, up-to-date steps for your region and account type. Verification helps lift account limits, improve security, and builds trust with sellers and buyers, so it's worth getting right. Start by opening your browser and going to the official PayPal website. Make sure you're on the correct domain and look for the padlock icon in the address bar. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account so the help content is tailored to your country and account settings. Once you're in, you'll land on your account summary page. Next, head to Help. On desktop, you'll typically find Help at the top or bottom of the page. Click it to open PayPal's Help Center. This is the best place to get guidance that matches your location, since verification requirements can vary by country and whether your account is personal or business. In the Help Center, look for the search field labeled something like Search Questions, Keywords, or Topics. Click into that search bar and type "How to verify PayPal account." Keep it simple and use that exact phrase so you surface the most relevant article. PayPal's search will show suggested topics as you type. If you see the verification article appear in the suggestions, you can select it right away. From the search results, click on the article titled "How do I verify my PayPal account?" This official article is your roadmap. Inside, PayPal explains the verification process that applies to your account, such as confirming your email, linking and confirming a bank or card, completing identity checks, and meeting any local compliance requirements. The article often includes links that take you directly to each verification page within your account, so you can complete the tasks without hunting around. Take a moment to read the full article before you begin. It's common for the details to differ slightly depending on where you live, and PayPal may list acceptable documents or specific timeframes for confirmations. If something doesn't match what you see on your screen, refresh the page while signed in and make sure your country setting is correct in your profile. Keep any supporting documents handy and ensure your name and address match your PayPal profile to avoid delays. That's it. By going to PayPal, opening Help, searching for "How to verify PayPal account," and selecting the official "How do I verify my PayPal account" article, you're guided through the exact verification steps that apply to you. Follow the prompts in that article and you'll be on your way to a fully verified PayPal account.